Are you always on the hunt for the most innovative and eye-catching gadgets that can boost your lifestyle? Make daily tasks more fun, or just impress your friends? Well, you're in for a treat. Today, we've curated a list of 6 must-have tech gadgets that are not only functional, but also super cool. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 6. Gun Mouse. This isn't just your average gaming mouse, it's a full-blown experience. The Gun Mouse by Attack Shark is a dual-mode wireless vertical gaming mouse designed specifically for FPS enthusiasts. Whether you're crushing your enemies in CS:GO or navigating your favorite shooter, this mouse offers precision and ergonomic support in a bold, gun-like shape. It features 2.4 GHz wireless connectivity, a right-hand ergonomic design, and is compatible with Windows, macOS, Steam Deck, and even Switch. Plus, it's customizable to fit your gameplay needs and includes a built-in battery. If you're looking to stand out at your next LAN party or level up your aim, this mouse has your back, in style. Number 5. RF Switch. Looking for a smarter way to control your devices remotely? This 433 MHz RF wireless remote control switch is a total game changer for smart DIY control. Whether it's your garage door, motorized curtain, or even lights, this compact remote system puts control in your hands. The receiver works with DC 12V to 48V, supports up to 10 A-bands of load, and offers 3 working modes. Its high-sensitivity receiver ensures stable signal transmission, even in interference-heavy environments. The flame-retardant housing and wide-voltage chip add extra safety and compatibility, making it perfect for home automation enthusiasts. With a range of up to 164 feet in open space and simple installation, it's a go-to solution for controlling electronics without lifting more than a finger. Number 4. Bike Tow Rope. Enjoy family biking sessions? Then you'll love the Bicycle Tow Rope, a flexible, retractable bike trailer rope, perfect for parent-child riding adventures. This clever tool allows an adult rider to tow a child safely and comfortably, even on rough trails or uphill routes. Made for mountain bikes and outdoor tools, it's a lifesaver when your kid gets tired mid-ride. Compact, durable, and easy to attach. This tow rope is the ideal tool for active families who love cycling but want that extra layer of support when needed. Number 3. Shoe lights. Brighten up your night activities with these PVC LED shoe lights. These aren't just fun accessories. They're a safety essential for night rides, jogging, festivals, or even dog walks. Each set comes with 2 headlights for your shoes, featuring 3 different lighting modes to match your vibe or visibility needs. Made from durable PVC material, they're waterproof, lightweight, and super easy to attach to your shoelaces or slip-ons. These little lights are surprisingly powerful, making you visible from a distance and adding a cool edge to your footwear at the same time. Number 2. Stirling Tank. For all the science lovers out there, the Stirling engine tank is more than just a model. It's a live physics experiment. This hot air engine model comes with real tracked wheels and an aluminum alloy build. It demonstrates how heat energy can be converted into mechanical motion using the classic Stirling engine design. Crafted with high-quality steel, copper, aluminum, and quartz glass, it's both a collector's piece and an educational tool. Great for classrooms, hobbyists, or as a desk showpiece, it runs off hot air and has a surprisingly smooth mechanical motion that's mesmerizing to watch. If you're into STEM, this is a brilliant conversation starter. Number 1. Mbrush Printer. Need printing on the go? Meet the Mbrush Printer, a Bluetooth-enabled handheld color inkjet printer that can print on nearly any surface, including paper, fabric, skin, wood, and more. Whether you're printing logos, tattoos, or personalized designs, this gadget makes it a breeze. It supports both manual and automatic feed modes, has a max paper size of A0, and comes with Bluetooth connectivity for easy operation from your phone. With a compact, portable design and fast printing speed of 20 pages per minute, it's a favorite among artists, small businesses, and DIYers alike. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.